See that Kerala government or Home Ministry has no information about this raid. They didn't seek our support also. So we don't know about the details of the raid. This question has to be posed to the ED. See, everybody knows in Kerala, the understanding was with BJP and CPM. Then what happened to that understanding? They have to tell the people of Kerala. We don't have any relationship with BJP. We are fighting with BJP. We fought with BJP and CPM and we came to power.
I am in front of the house of Chief Pinarayi Vijayan, the former Chief Minister and presently the opposition leader. We are not surprised. This is a political vendetta that's been demonstrated. And Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan has been haunted many a time by the central agencies. And during emergency, he was thrashed. There was an attempt to physically finish him. There have been numerous cases that have been imposed on him. And people of Kerala has the ability, reason to see through this diabolic game. And we need to also underscore the fact that in this drama that is unfolding, it's not only BJP, but also Congress is part and parcel of this game. Just before the elections, Rahul Gandhi came to Kerala, descended over Kerala, and his first question was that, why is it not central agencies implicate Pinarayi Vijayan, arrest him, put him behind the bars? That was the question of Rahul Gandhi. And during election, we know the tacit understanding between Congress and BJP. We know the sordid episode where Kejriwal was haunted, arrested, put in Tihar by the collaboration between Congress and BJP. That collaboration, that understanding is being demonstrated amply in Trivandrum and other locations in Kerala. We have absolutely no issue with any investigation. 4 central agencies are investigating this matter, including Income Tax, ED, SFIO, Registrar. And we have no problem, even if they hand over this case to FBI or Mossad or any other international, Interpol or anywhere. Let them do that. However had they tried, they cannot break the spirit of Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan and the resilience of CPM. We will fight back tooth and nail against this injustice that is being unleashed here.